Butterflies symbolize change and transformation in general. Dreaming about a butterfly can often indicate that you're going through a major transformation or transition in your own life. Change is an inevitable part of life, and sometimes there are struggles and obstacles that go along with it. You might be struggling in some area of your life, and depending on the context of the dream, the butterfly might indicate that you are resistant to this change. If appearing in a negative theme dream, or that you are ready to embrace this new change. Here are some of the most common beliefs and symbolisms associated with butterflies. Dreaming of a butterfly is usually a favorable and positive sign. The butterfly symbol is associated with joy, bliss, elegance, ease, and positive change. If you see a butterfly chrysalis in a dream, or anything involving the butterfly before or after it emerges from the chrysalis, then it can often indicate that you will soon encounter major change in your life. These changes can often occur slowly but can be very transformative. Dreaming about a caterpillar and a butterfly can mean that the major change has already occurred, and usually this transformation was positive in nature. Dreams about a butterfly that has broken out its cocoon can represent the troubles and difficulties in your life are being left behind. It can indicate that improvements and new developments are on their way. Dreams about butterflies in general can indicate some sort of transition or transitional period in your life. Just as the butterfly goes through its metamorphosis from caterpillar to butterfly, a major transformation can be happening in your life as well. One stage of your life could be over or ending, and a new stage is about to or has already occurred. This could also indicate a period of great creativity in your life at this time as well. The butterfly often symbolizes the soul and resurrection. Sometimes dreaming of a butterfly can be a omen of death. It can be associated with transition from life to death. It can indicate the loss of a loved one, whether this be physical or the end of a relationship or marriage. A butterfly can mean that change is inevitable, but this change may occur gradually. It can be advised about seeing obstacles as opportunities, or to move through this life changes gradually and with optimism. Change does not have to be traumatic. If a butterfly is flying through the air in your dream, it could mean that you may have a need to share yourself with the world. It can mean to cultivate some creative talent or share your gifts with the world. Dreaming of a flying butterfly can also indicate that you might soon receive news from a distant friend or relative, or receive a social invitation. Seeing many butterflies flying together represents a harmonious romantic relationship or marriage. The butterfly in a dream can symbolize creativity, romance, spirituality. It can indicate prosperity and abundance of wealth if you see the butterfly moving among flowers or in the grass. This prosperity could be related to a creative endeavor or special talent you have. A dream of catching a butterfly or holding it, but then it flies out of your hand or you are unable to catch it, can indicate a need to surrender something in your life. Whether this can be an object, person, or perspective or idea, something may need to be sacrificed for some positive change to occur. It can represent a spiritual surrender and the need to let go and let God. A butterfly is a Christian symbol that means spiritual enlightenment. A butterfly in your dream can be positive sign from spirit and you might be going through a spiritual transition of some sort in your life. See a butterfly with many different vibrant colors, or a butterfly in a tropical setting in your dream can indicate success or a sign that you will have successful life or be successful in some sort or business endeavor. A dream butterfly may be symbol of feelings of detachment or a lack of nurturing in your waking life. Dreaming of a butterfly cocoon can mean that you have recently felt cocooned or isolated in your life and the need to be more social and outgoing. It can also indicate the need for one to emerge from some situation in their life and venture out in the world. Butterfly in a dream can represent the essence of your soul, your spirit. Butterflies can represent one's strength and weaknesses, or one's mental and physical health. Often one will dream of butterfly when they are going through a very difficult period in their life. It can also indicate one's hidden fear and needing to bring these things out into the light. The butterfly in a dream is sometimes connected with one's social life. The phrase butterfly, social butterfly can is associated with a butterfly dream. It can indicate making a big impression in a social situation or a sign that a significant social event is soon to come. It can also indicate that the need to become more social in your life.